Welcome to Vehicle Review World, your ultimate destination for in-depth and unbiased reviews of the latest automobiles. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 BMW X7, a luxury SUV that continues to redefine the standards of elegance, performance, and innovation in its class. This flagship SUV from BMW promises an exhilarating driving experience paired with cutting-edge technology and unmatched comfort. The 2025 BMW X7 boasts a bold and imposing design, characterized by its signature kidney grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted bodywork. The new model also introduces subtle refinements to its exterior, making it even more dynamic and sophisticated. Inside, the cabin is a testament to luxury and craftsmanship, featuring premium materials, ambient lighting, and a meticulously designed layout that ensures maximum comfort for all passengers. With seating for up to 7 and customizable options for upholstery and trims, the X7 truly delivers a first-class experience. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW X7 offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving preferences. The base model is equipped with a turbocharged inline-6 engine, delivering impressive power and efficiency. For those seeking enhanced performance, the V8 engine variant provides an exhilarating burst of speed and agility. Additionally, BMW has introduced a plug-in hybrid option, catering to environmentally conscious drivers without compromising performance. All models come standard with BM's xDrive all-wheel drive system, ensuring exceptional handling and stability in various driving conditions. The X7's tech features are nothing short of groundbreaking. The latest iteration of BMW's iDrive system offers a seamless interface via a curved touchscreen display, providing easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system make every journey safer and more enjoyable. Passengers can also enjoy the upgraded infotainment system, complete with wireless connectivity, premium audio, and rear seat entertainment options. When it comes to practicality, the 2025 BMW X7 excels with its spacious interior and versatile cargo space. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or tackling your daily commute, the X7 ensures you have the room and functionality needed for any adventure. The air suspension system enhances ride comfort, while the optional off-road package makes this luxury SUV capable of tackling rough terrains with ease. In terms of safety, the 2025 X7 has received top marks, thanks to its comprehensive suite of safety features and robust build quality. It's designed to provide peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike, making it an ideal choice for families and enthusiasts who prioritize both luxury and security. If you're considering a luxury SUV that blends style, performance, and innovation, the 2025 BMW X7 is undoubtedly worth a closer look. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us at Vehicle Review World for more exciting content, detailed reviews, and the latest updates